I'm sure you'll agree with me. Sometimes the land speaks louder than words. Pure nature here in Northern California is a proof. This is Black Butte, a sharp rocky mountain rising bold and quiet against the sky. It was born from thick lava pushed up thousands of years ago. The lava cooled and piled high, leaving these steep, rugged slopes we see today. Every step here is on lava rock. This mountain was once alive with fire. Now it rests in stillness, strong and steady. Black Butte in Northern California is a peak of stone, silence, and space. What I notice is that the surface is all dark rock, all raw. No trees, no streams, only stone and air. It feels ancient, untouched, like the earth showing its strength. Of course, people do hike up here a tough climb, but the reward is peace. Even on the slopes, life is small. Maybe a few tiny plants cling to cracks, birds circle above, then silence returns just as fast. And in that silence, you feel it, pure nature. Nothing added, nothing taken away, just the mountain, the wind, the open sky. Simple, raw, completely alive.